Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created this Velma look. I originally did this look in October but never got around to posting it. So let's get started. I'm going to start off using my BUXOM customized palette. I'm going to go ahead and use these two shades. The lighter tan will be my transition color. I'm applying the shade to my crease and outer V and blending it out. Next, I am taking this burnt orange shade and applying it to my lid and blending that into the transition color. Now using the box of Crayons eyeshadow palette, I'm taking the colors orange and gold, and with my finger I am patting the color onto my lid. Now I'm just applying gold over the top to make it a little more glowy. Now with NYX Matte Black Eyeliner, I'm going to do my eyeliner. Now with brown, I'm smoking out my lower lash line. And now I'm going to highlight using Beyond Beauty Makeup Luxe Highlighter in Gold Sparkle. Now I'm going to go ahead and coat my lashes using BUXOM Lash Volumizing Mascara. I'm now going to use this product called Freck to add some faux freckles. I'm just going to dot it on my face and disperse it with my finger. Next, taking KARITY Blush Balm Coral Kaboom, I'm going to add the blush across my face, cute anime blush style. I will be lining my lips with BUXOM's Plump Line Lip Liner in the shade Undercover. Now I will be glossing my lips over with their Plumping Lip Polish in the shade Claire. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my cheekbones with the same highlight from earlier. And now for one final touch, Jinkies. Okay guys, just putting on my glasses and the look is complete. I wish they were square, but circle is all I have, but you know, you gotta work with what you got. Okay guys, that's it for this short tutorial. Thank you guys all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on IG if you haven't already. Bye! Until next time, Alley Cats.